Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to reactivate or re-enable your Facebook account which you had disabled on the past. Now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to reactivate your Facebook account which you have disabled in the past, first open up your Facebook app on your phone. And you can see we are on this interface. Now to reactivate your account, you'll be required to enter the email address of the account, and after that enter your password and tap on login and save the password. Okay, and they have sent us a code. Let's enter the code and tap on continue. And you can see we have successfully reactivated our account. And there guys, this is how you reactivate a disabled account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.